Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with shopperinformer.com, and today we're taking a look at the Kettle Gryp by Kettle Gryp. This thing is going to be able to convert your dumbbells into kettlebells for additional workout options. Let's get right into it. So right off the bat, the Kettle Gryp here was featured on Shark Tank, and you can see it's made right here, San Diego, California, US&A. Now the Kettle Gryp does work with a wide variety of metal-handled kettlebells. However, if yours is covered with neoprene, you're going to see that it's not going to fit inside because it's going to be a little too wide. But it'll be able to change those different dumbbells into a kettlebell in a snap here. We've got a comfortable, large, sure grip up here, and the handle is made of a durable ABS plastic. It's textured molded, right? It gives it a soft feel here, but it's non-slip grip as well. So when you're ready, we've got a nice locking snap on the backside that's going to pop up like so. And the entire handle piece opens like this, and then you'll be able to lay your different dumbbell underneath and inside. Yes, close it back up, snap it back up, and then you're ready to go for a kettlebell style workout. Now, as mentioned, if you do have a set of the neoprene covered dumbbells like these right here, the diameter of the handle is going to be too thick to work with the Kettle Gryp, and it won't be able to close up properly and lock down. However, if you do have a cheaper dumbbell set like I do here from Walmart, the handle is thin enough, because it's bare enough, to work with the Kettle Gryp, and you have that opportunity to use that so you can have some dumbbell-based exercises. At the end of the day, the Kettle Gryp is a great solution for expanding your exercise opportunities, especially if you have a wide variety of dumbbells already placed in the garage. You don't need to go out and buy a bunch of different kettlebells because you could be using this as well. And because of its lightweight, compact form factor, this thing weighs under a pound, and you can pack it and take it with you on vacations and use your hotel or motel's gym equipment and convert those into a dumbbell session as well. Overall, this is a great, solid product, and it's a perfect solution, especially if you're somebody like me who has a small, budding home gym that you're starting to build out on a budget. We have that ability to convert some of our dumbbells into kettlebells. So that's my opinion for the day, and to find more great reviews like this, check out shopperinformer.com. The link is down in the description.